it's math time. Here we go. Still on day one math. It should say day one at the top. Directions, solve each problem. Simple enough. So here we go. All right, I'll zoom in a bit. Oh, my phone's falling. It's falling down. All right, here we go. 18 plus 5 should be super simple for you. There are lots of ways to solve this. One way is to start with 18 in your head and count on. We have 18, and here I'm going to use my fingers. Oh, my hand looks so big zoomed in like that. Here we go. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Super duper easy. That is one way to solve. Another way to solve, which probably most of you are using, is to break apart our numbers for something that we know. Maybe you say 18 plus 5 and you know that 18 plus 2 gets you to 20, which leaves 3 left over, so we have 23. An amazing way to solve. If you needed to draw a picture, super duper fine. Hopefully you didn't have to, but again, that's fine, whatever you did, and you count them all up. Or maybe you take these 2 and move them here, and you know you have 20, 10, 20, 23. Either way, 23 should be your answer. Number 2, color 4/5 of the rectangle. So when they say the rectangle, they mean the whole rectangle. And they want you to color in 4/5. So let's count to see how many parts for sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it's cut into 5 equal pieces and they want us to shade 4/5 of the whole thing, how many pieces should we shade? That's right, 4. Please make sure that you're not being super duper sloppy. It doesn't have to be perfect. This isn't art, but you do need to make sure that if someone else were looking at and checking your work, that you could see 4/5 of this rectangle. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. Okay, number 3, share 8 equally between 2. When I see that share, I know I'm probably gonna have to split it up, right? If I have 8 things and I'm sharing, I'm splitting it. And if I'm doing it between 2, I know that gives me 2 groups. And then equally, this is important here because if they don't say equally, this could be 6 and this could be 2, or this could be 7 and 1, or 2 and 6, or things like that, 3 and 5. But it says equally. So the way that I'm gonna do this, if you're not sure how, is to start, I have 8, I'm gonna count to 8, and I'm gonna put a dot in each circle each time until I get there. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know that that means each gets 4. And what we're really doing here is dividing 8 into 2 groups, which gives us 4 in each group. Okay. If you did it in another way, that is totally fine. If you want to show us in the comments, that is cool. All right, number 4, 8 divided by 4. So up here we had 8 divided by 2 is 4, and down here we have 8 divided by 4. So this time we're going to take our 8, but we're going to have 4 different groups, and we want to know how, excuse me, how much is going to go in each group. So I'm going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this time, since I have twice as many groups, there's half as many in each group. Oh, look, they look like little pig noses. I'm gonna draw a little piggy. Oh, okay, pig ears are not round, so sorry about that. Here's my pig with his little oinky tail. Hope you enjoyed that. But either way, 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now, if you notice, 8 divided by 2 is 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. There's a pattern here. Keep that in your brain. All right, number 5 should be super simple for you. Is 15 smaller than 51? Well, Ms. Holzman, yes, it is. That's what I hope you said. You could say it in any accent at all. But definitely smaller, a big yes here. We know that because 15 only has 1 10 and 51 has 5 10s. So no matter what is in the ones place, we know that it is much smaller here. Oh my goodness, you can't see, hang tight. Okay, hopefully you can see that okay. Number 6 asks you to fill in the missing number. So we have 45, 50, 50, 55. So what I notice is that they're adding 5 each time or counting by 5s. So 45, 50, 55. You got it. It's 60. Yes, I know that most of you are not talking out loud to me. I'm doing it hopefully to make it more fun for you. It's giving me some Dora vibes. Dora, Dora, Dora the Explorer. All right, here we go. Write the line length in centimeters. So this means that you need to label it when you get done. All right, so here we are starting on the 0. Nice, perfect. And then it goes to here. And here I notice this is 4, and I notice this is 5, and I notice it's somewhere in between, and it's exactly halfway in between. So this line is 4.5 centimeters. Don't forget the label. Long. This is what your answer needs to look like. Miss Holzman, if I didn't put centimeters, is it correct? No. Okay, technically it's correct, but I'd really like you to start thinking about your labels. Miss Holzman, if I accidentally wrote 4.2, is it correct? No. Okay, make sure that it looks like this. All right. Number 8, do you use AM or PM to write 7 o'clock in the morning? Most definitely AM. That's just something you need to know about a clock. Hopefully you all get to experience the morning and you're not sleeping in all day. Here we go. Number 9, how many sides does a pentagon have? Well, Ms. Holzman says, show me a pentagon. If you put up 5 fingers, you are correct. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 angles, no matter what. Pent means 5. And then down here we have this cute little addition grid. I don't think we've ever seen one of these together before. You might have seen it in previous grades. All they are asking you to do, I'm sorry, can you, okay. All they're asking you to do is match up the box and put the sum or the answer of the addition problem in here. So if you look, 8 plus 19, well, I know that if I take 1 from the 8 and give it to the 19, that makes it 20, and this would be 7. So this here would be 27. If I take 1 from the 14 and give it to the 19, that makes it 20 and 13, which I know would make it 33. I'm gonna keep doing the same thing because it's a pretty awesome strategy here. 17 minus 1 would be 16, 19 plus 1 would be 20, so 20 and 16 would be 36. Hopefully I don't make any mistakes here. If I do, please comment to let me know. Taking 1 from the 19 to make 20, 20 and 18 would be 38. Taking 1 from the 22 to give it to the 19, that would be 20 and 21, which I know is 41. And then 1 from the 36 would be 20 here and 35 here, which would give me 55. Now, you can continue to do that here. Take 1 from the 8, make it 30. That would be 30 and 7 is 37. But something else that I notice is, wait, I'm gonna let you guess. You guess, what do you notice? All right, here we go. So what I notice is each time here, it goes up by 10. 19, 29, 39. So instead of re-adding everything, I know I could start here and just add 10. 27 to 37. I can do it again, add 10, that's 47. 33 and 10 is 43, and another 10 is 53. Okay, it's important that we are noticing patterns. 36 and 10 is 46, plus 10 more is 56. 38 and 10 is 48, and 10 is 58. Okay, if you don't understand what I'm doing, please comment in the comment section. I want to hear from you. 41 and 10 more is 51, and 10 more is 61. And just in case that doesn't make sense to you, I can do it the other way. So I know 36 and 29. 29 just needs 1 more to be 30. So 36 minus 1 over here is 30, and 35 is 65, and our pattern still works because this is 10 more. And then here, 36, 1 over here to make 40, 40, and 35 is 75. And again, our pattern works because this is 10 more. All right, how did you do? I hope to hear from you.